Hello students, today we are going to meet in the subject English grammar. Okay, so as you have got the book of English grammar and from today onwards we are going to start our English grammar periods also. And here the first lesson of English grammar, nouns, collective and abstract. So what is the name of first lesson? Nouns. And in that two types we have to study collective noun and abstract noun. So before going to learn about the collective noun and abstract noun, you should know what is mean by noun. Actually you have learnt in the second standard what is mean by noun. But today I am going to revise it once again. So students, what is mean by noun? Already we have learned it in second standard. Here again we are going to revise. Noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. Be careful and listen carefully. Okay. Noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. What is mean by noun? Noun is a name given to person, place, animal or thing. Okay, it is called in the grammar as noun. Okay, so this is a definition of noun. But now here we are going to learn the types of nouns in this lesson. So before this noun, two types of nouns, we have learned already two types of nouns in second standard. Okay, so be careful. We have learned two types of noun. First is common noun and second is proper noun. So common noun and proper noun. Before going to learn abstract noun and collective noun, we will learn two types, common noun and proper noun in short. Okay, so let's go with the first type, common noun. So students, which is the first type here? Common nouns. Okay, so let's see the definition of common noun. Common nouns are names of persons, places, animals or things in general. Okay. Common nouns are names given to the persons, places, animals or things, but in general. Here general word is very important. Okay. So general means from these names, from the common nouns, you will not understand the specific person or place or thing. So if you see the examples, you will understand more clearly. Here example is written boy, school, teacher. So when these common nouns are taken, that time you will not understand that specific boy. Who is that specific boy? Boy is there, but you will not understand who is that boy particularly. Here school. School, this is also general. Teacher, general name. Why? Because from teacher you will not understand specific teacher. You will understand generally teacher. Okay. So this is common noun. In common nouns you will understand the general names of that person, place, animal or thing. Did you understand? Stop. Now second type of noun, proper nouns. Okay. Now listen the definition very carefully. Proper nouns are names of particular persons or places. Okay. Proper nouns are names of particular persons or places. Now here particular word is very important. Particular. When we were looking about the common nouns, that time we have seen that in the common noun, general word was very important. Means common nouns are the names generally given to that person, place or thing. But here what is meant by proper noun? It is a particular name given to that person or place or thing. Okay, got it? So particular name means when you say that name, you will understand that particular person or thing only. Okay, if you see the examples, you will understand it more clearly. Rohan and Agra. Rohan is the name of a boy. So when you say Rohan, so you say the particular boy. When you say Agra, you say the particular city here. But in the common nouns, when you were listening about the examples of common noun, what was the example of common noun? Boy, city. So if you will see in the common noun, it was in general, and in the proper noun, it is particular, specific name of that person or place. So students, today we have learnt about common nouns, proper nouns. Two types of nouns. Okay. So today what you have to do? You have to write the definition of common noun, proper noun with its example. Okay. I will send you with this video what is today's homework. Did you understand? Okay. Thank you.